How to enable or disable Samsung keyboard read deleted characters aloud on a Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Then we scroll down and tap on general management. After that, tap on Samsung keyboard settings. Now scroll down, then tap on swipe, touch, and feedback. Next, tap on speak keyboard input aloud. Tap on the left hand side panel. Then we scroll down. From here, tap on read deleted characters aloud. So tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. And that's it. After that, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.